Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Cardinal Mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, and in the search bar, go ahead and search Cardinal Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page where you can click on Sign In, and then it will lead you to the Cardinal Finance.your mortgage online page. So go ahead and enter your username, your password, and click on Login. After that, you will be successfully logged in to your Cardinal Mortgage account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can go ahead and go through these links and reset your password. If you are new to your Cardinal Mortgage account, you can go ahead and click register and make an account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log in to your Cardinal Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.